We're talking about the Nasdaq Composite, and we got a weekly chart here and we have a daily chart. One of the things that we're going to emphasize is a daily double bottom. We had a correction like we said we would, and that was up here at the highs. In that correction, we made a bottom over here. They gapped it up on this daily chart. You can see what it looks like on a daily. Now they're right back where they started from, and this is how bull tops have corrections. So you got the second correction of the bull rally in play on 5/4/2012 on the daily chart. When you look at the Nasdaq Composite here on a weekly chart, sorry, that's a bear case, and it all happened today, Friday, but you're right back at the bottom. So here's the weekly reversal because you were overbought. That's the counter rally. This is another reversal. So it's the second reversal to the original reversal 1 and now reversal 2. So the 20-week moving average is clear down here at 29.18. We'll look to see if it bounces down there. Another thing, Nasdaq 100, same way, falling below the 10-week moving averages right here. Nasdaq 100 is trading Nasdaq call options, index options. You can see here that we have a reversal in play because we do. And they will get on sale. So basically, you can see where these trades have happened. You can see that bull top of the calendar year. You can see where you had a counter rally. You have failed to rally here. You don't have any support until you can get clear down here. Right in this area, 2,600. And at that point, the call side will be cheap, and we'll be looking at trading it. So that's the Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, S&P 500 update, MMT. Once again, S&P 500 daily update here. Let's go ahead and do our thing. And it's mid-morning, but you can clearly see here that that S&P's in trouble because it's going to do what? And this is all done live right now, this update. So MMT, you can see it. You can see that counter trend failure on this daily chart. On the weekly chart, the S&P has got support at 1350 handle. If it breaks it, then we'll talk about that. That's that 20-week. Right now, that's the first reversal with the counter rally and another reversal. Reversal 2 in play of the original bull. Bull reversal 1, bull reversal number 2 in play. And that's on the S&P. And as far as the Dow goes, it's down 151 points. It came up and actually put in a 4-year high. And it did. And it had its reversals in here. And we can see down here, it's still above the 10-week moving average. But it's 30 stocks, and they're high dividend yield paying stocks. So it's hard to really gouge it. But here, down, what a nice shakeout to 2650. Down 54 handles. Look at that Nasdaq Composite. This makes a great case as the sellers get out of the way. That money is going to come in off of that sideline, and we're going to be going to work on buying the deflated calls in the indexes. Those are huge trades, and they're wonderful ones. And so we have lots of opportunity coming that way. I'm going to conclude the updates. Here's what a daily Dow looks like on a daily level. And here's the chart. And I can clearly show you the reversals, MMTs, because they're here. It's okay. This is what bulls do. He made an all-time high over here. And for 3 days, he's coming down, and he's going to test it. But let us not forget, that was, here, let's take a look at the lows on that last low. So here's where the highs were, right here. That was your correction. They came back in the Dow 30, bought the dividend yield pairs, and propped it up because that was the bottom, and you made a higher high right here than the original reversal, which was right there. And you can clearly see here that you're testing the 10 and the 20-day simple moving averages on the daily, but this is where the rallies had started. And basically, with bull rallies, you get that second pullback. We'll monitor the Dow. We don't put a whole lot on it anymore. The dividend yield pairs, people moved in there. Sell tech, sell semis. Corrections are due, as always. And once again, here's that S&P 500 major support level down here. That's the morning update.